Okay, so real quick, here's what I did. I replaced the capacitors and switched them around for the two that you're supposed to for this mod. Um, those are new capacitors because the original ones I kind of destroyed. This resistor down here, uh, he doesn't look great. You know, he's a little burnt, but it no longer works. I actually replaced the wires on both of these too, because I figured they kept breaking off. I figured thicker wire would work. That's off. That's on. Of course, the LEDs don't work anymore, but I can get the radio pretty well, actually. That's actually not as powerful a signal as can. All of these knobs are turned all the way up. That battery's fine. Let's see here. Get the real good radio reception.
Transitions Life Care. ORG. Transitions Life Care. Care and comfort that surrounds you.
Definitely pretty good reception there. Same channel or frequency, not as quite as good on this side of the board. And I spilled solder all over this connection here. So now when I touch it, well, I guess maybe it worked before, but it also gets the same radio station. Now, if I turn it up really loud, you can hear not quite the actual effect. I haven't been able to find any points on here that I can connect. Whoa, that was loud. That will actually make the effect work. I have no idea what I did. Where do I even start? It's got to be fixable.